Spring is here, Floral are near. Let's get into today's video. We are starting off with a neutral color for the base color. Using a dotting tool, start making 5 dots around each other as shown. This is one of the easiest way to make dainty looking flowers. Remember, we'll be creating a tiny cluster of flowers, so leave enough room for other elements. Using a dotting tool in a smaller size, use the same technique to make tiny flowers in the remaining spaces, forming a ring. Using a toothpick is another alternative if you don't have different size of dotting tools, or you can get a complete set on ILMPpolish.com. Find the link below. Using the toothpick, now use a green shade to create tiny leaves around your flowers. You can play around with different tools and techniques to create these easy flowers. Remember to adjust these according to your skills and nail length, and always remember to trust the process. Dotting tools aren't always necessary, but they do help in achieving cleaner and consistent shapes. Don't forget to use the top coat and seal your hard work. Don't forget to shop your nail essentials only at I Love My Polish.